Shelly and Fraser Pryce sends amazing message to Hansel Parchment and Rashid Broadbell. Shelly and Fraser Pryce just smashed her 5th diamond lead over there in Zurich in the women's 100 meters. After her win, and I would guess while celebrating this great achievement, she had this to say regarding her compatriots Hansel Parchment and Rashid Broadbell, who just narrowly lost to American Grant Holloway in the men's 110-meter hurdles event at Zurich Diamond League. So, in the midst of all her success, our mommy Rocket took a few minutes to send some love to her two compatriots. She posted on her Facebook page, congratulating the two for a valiant effort with the 110-meter hurdles. And track and field fans on Facebook followed her lead, posting a ton of support messages, lauding the two hurdlers on their amazing effort, and even putting forward a reason for why Broadbell didn't come away with the win. In all, a powerful outpouring of support for our two hurdlers, and all begun by a great Jamaican athlete and a truly awesome personality, Shelly and Fraser Pryce. So congrats on your win once more, Shelly. And Hansel and Rashid, just like Shelly said earlier, great effort out there today, guys.